Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to make a little more personal video for you today because I think the content of this video is incredibly important, especially for you beginners in affiliate marketing that are just starting out or just researching about it. And that is when you should and when you shouldn't do affiliate marketing. So I get a ton of emails, I get a ton of questions all the time from people messaging me and saying, Ivan, I have this last $100 or I have this last X number of dollars. Can you give me a discount on your course? Or can you give me some videos? Can you tell me what to do so I can start making money online? And my answer to that is always the same. And that is what I want to talk to you about in this video is do not do or start affiliate marketing if you're broke. Period. I do not want your money. I do not want you buying my courses if it's your last X number of dollars. And there are many reasons for that. One of them is affiliate marketing is a very, very, very volatile niche, right? Field, right? It changes all the time. You will come across different issues, different changes all the time. There are account bans, there are campaign bans, there are campaigns that don't work, there are campaigns that get removed, get taken in and out. It's extremely, extremely volatile. And if someone shows you how to do something, that method, that strategy might change the next day. So if you're putting all your eggs in one basket and you're saying, okay, I have to buy this course. It doesn't have to be my course, any course, right? Because this course is going to teach me for sure how to make money online. That is not true. You will make mistakes. I promise you, you will make mistakes. No matter how many videos and how many courses you take, you will make your own mistakes in online marketing. And guess what? These mistakes are going to cost you money, right? You have to buy the software tools for affiliate marketing. You have to spend money on ads, hosting, domains, right? Things like that. And you will make mistakes. You will come across campaigns that don't work and you just invested time and money into them. And so do not start affiliate marketing if you are broke. Get a full-time job, get some sort of money, some sort of part-time job, some sort of savings or something like that before you start, because you will always make mistakes. You have to do testing. There will always be testing all the time. So the way I started was I actually had money in my savings. So those of you that follow me in my story, I was unemployed when I started affiliate marketing. When I first typed in, what is affiliate marketing into Google, January 1st, 2017 is when I first typed that in. Shortly thereafter, I made my YouTube channel. I was jobless, it's true, but I had savings. And I knew I came at it with the mindset of I'm okay losing money. Like if I put this money into ads, I'm okay to lose it. I know that I might lose it, right? I didn't come at it from a point of view of, oh, I have to make this work, otherwise I'm screwed, right? So I came at it from the point of view of, I have savings, I'm okay to spend this money and to test. And of course I had limited savings, but I made it work, right? I was able to turn a profit half a year, or I think a year in. I think I made my first sale half a year in, and then a year in is when I started seeing some money coming in consistently, like $1,000 to $2,000 a month or so after a year of doing it. So everybody has their own cycle. Everybody, you guys will all have your own kind of time period at which this will happen. And it doesn't mean you're smarter or it takes you longer to learn, anything like that. It's just everybody has their own angle, right? So if you want to do affiliate marketing, do not do it if you're broke. Make sure you either have A, savings, or B, even better, get a job, right? Get a steady stream of income. If it's your last $100, do not try affiliate marketing. Instead, look for a job right now. Just look for a job. Look for a job that's going to pay you steadily. Any job will do. And you can do and try affiliate marketing like on your free time, right? When you come home from work. So that's what I would really suggest. There are a few other things here too. Keep in mind that no course, right? No lesson, no YouTube video, not a single thing in the world will give you the step-by-step exact guideline on how to make money overnight. Because if anybody does that, it will not work anymore, right? If everybody does and follows the same strategy, it's not going to work anymore. So the point of any course, any YouTube video, mine including, is not to tell you exactly, do this with this campaign, do this exact landing page, and that's it. You're gonna be making profits the next day. No, the point of any course is to give you ideas, right? To give you a template. So if I tell you that, hey, here's how you make money online, you go on Microsoft, you go on Google, whatever, the idea is to learn the basics, right? So you have to create some sort of website. You have to create some sort of maybe email list, potentially, right? You don't have to. You have to create this sort of offer, right? So that's the main idea. So within this, nothing is certain. You have to test and experiment yourself. Not a single course in the world, I guarantee you, will tell you, hey, do 1, 2, 3, and that's it. You're going to be making money. You're going to be a millionaire overnight. Because if such a course exists, everybody's going to do it. Guess what? It's not going to work anymore. Okay, every single course is just there to give you ideas that you have to implement. Okay, so very important stuff here. Now, one more thing I also would suggest is some of you are asking, Ivan, what about the long-term strategies of, for example, building out a website and going with SEO? It's much cheaper, right? You only have to pay for hosting, $15 a year, pretty cheap, relatively cheaper compared to ads. You don't even need a domain per se. It's great if you do, but let's say you go with a bare minimum. So in this case, the strategy will take time. You're not going to make money overnight. So if you come to me and you say, okay, well here, Ivan, I got $15 to invest, help me out, and I tell you to do SEO, you're not going to see results right away. So what are you going to do for the first 6 months? You still have to feed yourself. So either way, no matter what approach you take, the more expensive way, which is spending money on ads, or the cheaper way, which is through SEO and organic, kind of like I built my YouTube channel, it's through organic, I didn't spend any money on ads. Stuff like that, this will take time, right? So either way, either it'll take time or it'll take a lot of your money. So either way, you need a job, okay? So your first order of priority is to get a job if you have a last X number of dollars to spend. I do not want your money if it's your last money that you have, okay? There will not be overnight success. You will make mistakes. You will have to do tons of testing yourself. Even if you watch every single YouTube video, you buy every single course in the world, I promise you that. So you will have to find your own way, okay? So the organic approach is amazing. And I would really suggest it as I did with my YouTube channel. I did a YouTube channel while learning ads. So if you can do that as well, if you could maybe get a job, if you are on your last $100 or so, get a job and then start with the SEO approach. I have a bunch of videos on my channel, how to do things for free, right? Like how to make money online for free or for cheaper, things like that. Start with those. And then as you start building some savings, then you can start running ads, okay? So I really hope this was helpful. I get a lot of emails, a lot of requests, comments about this. Guys, please, seriously, if you're a beginner in online, in affiliate marketing, pay heed to this. Don't just waste your money on random courses and stuff if it's the last, especially, as we know, there are a bunch of scammers online, right? So that doesn't even have to be said. You might even be scammed out of your money. So take it slow, get a job, and then you can start affiliate marketing. Take care.